So the original problem with this older unit that we just replaced was, here's your evaporator coil. The coil on there had leaks on it, just small pinholes. There's copper coils that serpentine through, and then there's steel and aluminum fins. And just over time, you'll get rust, and then you'll start getting pinholes. That coil will deteriorate. So having a coil that was leaking, the age of the equipment, the cost of refrigerant, the cost of the coil, it just was a more efficient and better choice to update to something with a refrigerant that's a lot more efficient, cheaper, and has a 10-year warranty on everything. So when I come up into attics, like on maintenances and that, I am checking that coil to make sure it's clear and clean. I'm clearing your drain lines with nitrogen, making sure everything's insulated, all the panels are on tight, everything's airtight. You can see over here, we seal everything with duct sealant to old metal and that. On our furnaces to our coil, new pieces of equipment, we use a casting tape. When I'm up here also, we check blower motors. If it has a run capacitor on it, we check, make sure that's in range. We're looking for, we soap all the gas connections to make sure there's no gas leaks, making sure the pans are level, sloping and draining properly, making sure the unit's level. That's kind of it for up here. Come wintertime, we do a lot more up in the attic with the furnaces, cleaning flame sensors, checking sequence of operation with the furnace. But it's mainly drain lines, clean coils, and your blower motor, amp draws, and run caps. Most of the other stuff in the summertime is outside when we're doing that spring maintenance. So, you know, last thing I guess is we look at your ductwork and that, make sure it's all, you know, there's no kinks on it, everything's nice and level. And then I'm a big advocate for insulation in attics. So you can see here that they've added extra insulation on top of the old stuff. You can see the old insulation there. So they've added like another 8-10 inches, and you know, that bumps that R value up quite a bit. And that actually drops your electric bill a lot more than what your air conditioner can do. So those two things hand in hand can really, you know, make your house a lot more insulated, a lot more efficient. But that's it for up here.